Ja, hallo allerseits, heute am Dienstag, 15. April 2025. Der letzte Tag des offiziellen Songkrans. Hier im Terminal 21, großes Songkran Ducky Splash Festival. Noch bis zum 19. April. Viele Aktivitäten drinnen wie auch draußen unter dem Flieger.
Rise 10 kilometers to roam. Sweet treasures in my basket as I walk alone. 5 bucks for dreams, each lollipop I sell brings me closer to the stage where I long to dwell. They mock my sleeping dreams in daylight's glare, but in my heart I see the spotlights there. A cabaret queen, that's what I'm meant to be. I stand upon that stage at last. These strong days will be my treasure past. For Jenny won't refuse to bend or break. This is the path I choose to take. For dreams, each lollipop I sell brings me closer to the stage where I long to dwell. They mock my sequin dreams in daylight's glare, but in my heart I see the spotlights there. A cabaret queen, that's what I'm meant to be. Through rain and sun, I'll make them all see. Jenny won't show. Dreams don't rest on golden spoons, they're built on blisters neath the moon. Each coin, each step, each passing day brings me closer to my cabaret. I'll make them all see. Jenny Wong show, Jenny Wong show. Jenny Wong show. 10,000 steps, each day I persevere. Their whispers fade, my vision crystal clear.